Welcome everyone to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure you follow along with all the various content out there, particularly on YouTube here. Make sure you ring that bell, subscribe, keep up with the latest and greatest of what we put out every day here on YouTube. And make sure you go to TradingLikeABoss.com where we have all of our free resources. Right? Hopefully you checked out yesterday's training where the candidates that we had from yesterday, hopefully you're able to capitalize on those. We had a credit spread go off on Tesla yesterday, which was fantastic, exactly as we called it. We got 50 cents on that spread. Directional trade on Tesla. One of our students, Charles, was in our Power Hour class yesterday, which is a free training we do every Monday. I did mention here yesterday, when you go to Trading Like a Boss, you'll see Power Hour, which is on Monday. You'll see Trading Coach's Playbook, which is on Friday. There are bookends, and whatever other trainings we have right in the middle, which is Protect and Preserve and Win in Uncertain Times, which is a training that Mr. Dale Zamzo is putting on this week. That's going to show you, even if the market crashes, you could still wind up and not lose money with the way that he does it, all right, with the techniques that he uses. So go to this page, check it out. Make sure you get to all of these free resources we've got here. All right, with that, let's go look at economic reports. What do we have today? We've got consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Markets open, be careful. New home sales, Richmond Manufacturing Index, which I'm not too worried about Richmond Index. New home sales is a bigger concern. I did see something in Florida that there are special incentives that new home builders are putting out there right now to try to entice buyers into the areas over there. All right, so where are we at with the futures? Down 20 on the ES, down 112 on the Dow, down 56 on the NASDAQ, down 20 on the RUT. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin's up 20 bucks. The only green here. Ethereum is down 6 to 1828. Gold is down 11. And crude is back at $78 a barrel right now. All right, with that, let's go take a look-see at our candidates and see what the heck we got going on. So last couple of days have been interesting. We had this high that we put in at 41.6948. We fell off of there. We broke down last week on Thursday, came back up near the 8 moving average. Friday, we closed just barely above it. Yesterday, we moved down below it. We got up again. That 41.4459 is the key level. If we break it, 41.6948 is our next target. If we drop, 40.9374 is the target from there. And there's a great confluence of the 21 moving average right there. We're in the midst of earnings season. Tremendous amount of earnings come out. I couldn't even get them all on here. You've got GE, that is not on my list. You've got DHR, you got Spotify, that's not on my list. Biogen, RTX, Pulte Homes, 3M. Guys, I couldn't even get to all of them. Impossible. Right? I picked the ones that I like the best as far as companies go. So GM is our first one. Let's go take a look and see what is going on there. Right? So we want to take a look at the entire fib that we have here. Now this fib goes back to January of last year. We're actually going to go ahead and redraw this fib. It's just a little bit too old at this point. Right? So let's go do that. We're going to come from this swing high down to this swing low. Right there. Okay, perfect. All right. 8, 9. Okay, there we go. That's good. $2, 38, 39. Let's see, 33 to 35. We're about $2 and jingle. So we're okay in there, right, with Fibit on that side. So GM right now is up $1.11 to 35.40. So we pushed right up into resistance there. We're above our 8. We're above our 21, which is at 34.96. We're just shy of that 35.60. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 33. All right, and that's on GM. All right, next is Monster Market Movers. 3M. They're at 106.20, up $1.14 right now. Of course, they have weekly options on them. You can see the entire fib, which is good. We're right now sitting at 106.20, so we're just at that resistance. We're going to look at a bull put spread below, or rather, not below, but yeah, bull put spread below 102. Sorry, trying to run different calculations in my head at once. Below 102. Pepsi, and that was earnings, by the way. Pepsi, also earnings. They are up $3 on that move. I like it a lot. They're sitting right now 188.5. So if we hit the scrunch key, which is the F11 on Omega charts, we're sitting at 188.52, so we're just shy of that there. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 186, which means 185, right? They're $2.50 increments there. Spotify, SPOT. They had earnings out today. All of our candidates' earnings. I didn't even bother looking at anything else. There's so many earnings choices to pick from. Right? Again, a little bit older fib. I think I'm going to go ahead and redraw on this, just for the sake of it's getting out there, baby. I mean, it's just long in the tooth. All right, let's draw from there to there. Okay. Swing low to swing high. We're doing F11. Look what's going on. 15 to 28, 29 is 14 points. We're at 7. We definitely need to split in there, so we're going to put our fibbits. It's way too big of a distance. 118. All right, so now we're up $3 to 188.52. That's Pepsi. We would have to switch over to Spotify. We're up $4 to 135.60. So we're still right below that resistance. We got above all of our moving averages. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 129. By the way, check out Coinbase. They're suing the SEC for not releasing the decision on how they really are not in charge of what Coinbase does. Coinbase should not be governed by the SEC rules. Let's see. Once again, a little bit older fib right now. Yeah, okay, I see what we're going to do. We're going to redraw. Let's do that. We're going to take this back here. We're going to move that out there and there. All right, we're going to come from that swing low on that gap down up to here. So UPS overall, man, nice bullish move, right? Let's see what we've got for fibbits in there. 193 to 203, $10. We definitely need to split these levels in half. So let's go and do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, to it. Negative 136 and a 118. All right. But the news has driven them down. How far down? Wasn't enough to take the trade. 187.22 down 863. So 187 puts them down below the 189, puts me into a neutral bias. And I'm going to look at a bear call spread above 194. I want to be just a little further away. We're a little too close with that move we've made. And then last, certainly not least, is Whirlpool. They had earnings come out today. They're up $5 to 146, basically. So let's go ahead and bring this in. All right. Nice move already, up above the 145. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 145. I'm going to do that one aggressive. It's just a little bit too tight for me. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow at our next update. Bye for now.